You clicked this video probably because you're considering voting by mail this election year. For whatever reason you have, or if you have no reason, you can vote early by mail in Minnesota. Then how can you make sure that your vote is mailed in time and gets counted? That's what I'm here for today. I'm Jiwon Choi, and in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to vote by mail for Minnesota's general election. If you want your absentee voting process easier, the first thing you should do is to register to vote in Minnesota. And it's this simple. Grab your Minnesota issued ID like your driver's license, or use the last 4 digits of your social security number and just go to the Secretary of State's website to register. After you're registered to vote, apply for your absentee ballot. Just like the voter registration process, Minnesota's absentee ballot application is also available online. You can print out your application if you'd like. You can apply for an absentee ballot anytime before Election Day, but if you apply too late, your ballot may not arrive in time. So make sure to give your application enough time to be received and processed. If you already requested your ballot, good! Your ballot should be your way soon. The first day of absentee voting for Minnesota's general election is Friday, September 18th. If you're applying after that date, your ballot will be mailed to you after your application is received by your county election office. Congrats, now you have your absentee ballot in hand. Take out all the ballot materials from the package and check if you have received everything you need. You should have your ballot, a tan envelope, a white signature envelope, and a white return envelope. If you're missing anything, contact your local election office. All looking good? Great! Then now let's take a look at the instructions. Mark your ballot and put the ballot into the tan envelope. Put the tan envelope into the white signature envelope. On the signature envelope, write your name, your address, and your ID number and sign the envelope. For this year's general election, registered voters in Minnesota do not need a witness to sign the signature envelope. Once that's all done, put the signature envelope into the return envelope. Your ballot must be postmarked on or before Election Day. And for this November 3rd election, your ballot should be received by your county election office within 7 days after the election, which means November 10th. The U.S. Post Office recommends allowing for 6 business days for your ballot to be delivered. You can also drop off your absentee ballot at your county election office by 3 p.m. on Election Day. But here's one thing to remember. Your ballot must be returned to the election office that originally sent your ballot. So don't bring your absentee ballot to a polling place. Do you have any questions about voting by mail in Minnesota? Ask NPR News.